Welcome back to the Gate Gain channel, where we explore the exact systems you need to build high-quality educational products. Online Course Engineering is the disciplined process of designing, filming, and distributing structured video curricula across digital platforms. Many creators jump straight into recording without a clear blueprint, which results in low completion rates and frustrated students. By treating course creation as a technical engineering challenge, you construct clear learning pathways that deliver measurable skill improvements. Private marketplaces and institutional learning management systems require polished content that meets strict production standards. Throughout this tutorial, you will learn how to turn complex expertise into a profitable educational enterprise. Before you write a single slide or turn on a camera, you must define the precise transformation your course offers. Student frustration happens when course outcomes are vague or disconnected from real job market requirements. Begin by profiling your target audience to understand their current skill level, career aspirations, and immediate technical challenges. Map out where your students start and where they need to arrive once they finish the final lesson. This clear gap analysis determines every topic, demonstration, and assessment you include in your curriculum. When your learning outcomes are direct and measurable, your students stay engaged from the first video to the end. Market research is essential to ensure there is active demand for your chosen educational topic. Search through major online learning platforms to see what existing courses are currently selling and where student complaints concentrate. Read negative reviews on competing courses to discover missing explanations, outdated tutorials, or poor audio quality. You can build a superior product simply by addressing the specific pain points that other instructors ignore. Check institutional program catalogs as well to identify professional skills that corporate clients want to license. Validating your course topic up front saves you hundreds of hours of wasted production time. Curriculum structure forms the structural backbone of your entire educational program. Break your complete topic down into self-contained modules that represent major milestones in the student learning path. Each module must contain individual lessons that focus on a single concept or practical demonstration. Keep video lessons between 5 and 12 minutes long to maintain high attention and retention rates. When concepts become too large, split them into multi-part sequences rather than recording continuous hour-long lectures. This modular design makes it easy for students to digest information and revisit specific topics later. Crafting explicit learning objectives for every lesson keeps your teaching focused and actionable. Use established educational frameworks like Bloom's taxonomy to categorize knowledge levels from basic recall to complex problem solving. Frame your lesson goals around action verbs such as build, configure, analyze, or diagnose rather than passive concepts. Tell your students at the start of each video exactly what they will construct or achieve by the end of that specific video. Clear objectives prevent your commentary from wandering into unnecessary side topics that confuse learners. This focused approach builds student confidence as they check off completed skills. Active learning frameworks keep students engaged far better than passive video viewing alone. Integrate hands-on exercises, guided coding sessions, or scenario analysis immediately after presenting theoretical concepts. Give your audience real tools, starter templates, or practice files so they can follow along with your instructions step by step. When students immediately apply what they see on screen, knowledge retention increases dramatically. Pause your commentary during key moments in the lesson to prompt students to solve a problem on their own. Building interactive checkpoints throughout your course transforms passive viewers into active builders. Assessment design allows both you and your learners to verify that true skill acquisition has occurred. Construct short quizzes at the conclusion of each module to test core conceptual understanding before students advance. Create comprehensive and, of course, capstone projects that require students to combine skills from every previous section. Provide clear evaluation rubrics so students understand what successful project completion looks like. Institutional buyers particularly value courses that feature rigorous testing frameworks and verifiable grading methods. Well-designed assessments validate your teaching effectiveness and add immense value to your educational package. Exporting your finished video lessons using optimal technical compression settings guarantees crisp playback everywhere. Render your final video files using standard high-efficiency video codecs inside a standard digital video container format. Choose a video bitrate that balances sharp visual clarity against reasonable file download sizes for fast web streaming. Set your audio export profile to advanced audio coding format at 320 kilobits per second for maximum sound quality. Double-check audio and video synchronization across every exported file before uploading content to host servers. Flawless technical rendering prevents user video buffering and playback errors. Hosting your course on private marketplace platforms offers immediate access to existing student traffic pools. Craft a compelling course title and subtitle that target specific high-intent search terms within the platform directory. Write a detailed course description that outlines requirements, key target audiences, and concrete skill takeaways. Upload high-resolution lesson thumbnails and a short dynamic promotional video to drive high landing page conversions. Monitor platform promotional sales cycles and adjust your pricing strategy to capture maximum volume during discount events. Marketplaces allow instructors to generate passive income while focusing purely on content creation. Institutional platform deployment opens lucrative revenue opportunities with corporate clients and higher education centers. Prepare your course files using standardized enterprise learning packages that track student progress and quiz scores seamlessly. Offer customizable learning paths and white label options so corporate buyers can adapt content to their internal brand guidelines. Provide institutional administrators with comprehensive analytics dashboards to monitor employee completion rates and skill mastery. Secure enterprise licensing deals often yield recurring annual contracts that generate predictable business income. Institutional sales require higher compliance standards but deliver substantial long-term financial returns. Creating an impactful promotional trailer is your single best tool for converting casual visitors into paying students. Keep your trailer video under 2 minutes long, opening with a punchy statement of the core problem your course solves. Show dynamic clips of your best software demonstrations, slides, and hands-on projects to prove your course quality. Include real student testimonials or your own professional credentials to build immediate trust and authority. Conclude your promotional video with a direct call to action instructing viewers to enroll in the course today. Establishing an effective pricing strategy requires balancing accessible consumer pricing against premium enterprise value. Price consumer marketplace offerings competitively to attract a high volume of initial reviews and student ratings. For self-hosted or institutional sales, build tiered packages that offer bonus coaching calls, project reviews, or certificate issuing. Offer team bulk licenses with volume discounts to encourage corporate managers to buy access for entire departments. Regularly evaluate your conversion metrics to find the spot between price point and total sales revenue. Strategic pricing maximizes your income while maintaining strong market demand. Running a private beta testing cohort allows you to refine your course before launching to the public market. Invite a small group of target learners to complete your course modules in exchange for detailed feedback on lesson clarity. Track where beta students get stuck, drop off, or ask repetitive questions in your community discussion boards. Re-record confusing video explanations and add supplemental reference materials to fix identified learning gaps quickly. Beta testing polishes your course quality, ensuring you launch with positive ratings and strong student reviews. Initial feedback loops transform a good curriculum into an exceptional educational product. Maintaining your course over time protects your reputation and keeps your instructional content relevant for years. Technology and industry practices change rapidly, making older software tutorials outdated within a few years. Schedule regular quarterly reviews to update outdated slides, broken code examples, and changed software user interfaces. Engage actively in student question and answer sections to answer questions promptly and foster a thriving community atmosphere. Add bonus lessons addressing new industry developments to show current and future students that your course is actively maintained. Ongoing content support drives long-term positive reviews and steady word-of-mouth sales. Expanding your course catalog into related technical domains allows you to scale your online teaching business successfully. Once you master the end-to-end process of course engineering, creating subsequent courses becomes faster and far more efficient. Build advanced follow-up courses or specialized deep dive programs that serve your existing satisfied student base. Cross-promote your growing library of courses to increase student lifetime value and brand loyalty across platforms. Continuous refinement of your curriculum engineering skills ensures long-term success in the digital education industry. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment.